PK Mickens here with Shofar Magazine, and we have Mr. Scott McIntyre from American Idol. We're here at the Dove Awards here in Nashville, Tennessee. We're having a great time.
Oh, yeah.
How are you tonight?
I'm doing well. I'm excited to be here.
Well, what are your expectations for tonight?
You know, I love Christian music. I love the church touring that I do and leading worship and just writing songs about Christ, telling people about Christ. It never gets old, you know. As someone said tonight, there's so much inspiration in our walk of faith, and so that's what all the music tonight is about. I'm just hoping God will be glorified. I'm excited to see all the different acts. Really excited to be here.
I'm excited too. I can't wait. Now tell us a little bit about what you have going on.
Yeah, I've been touring since American Idol. A lot of different countries we've been in, as far away as Japan, and I actually just had a Christmas single come out. It's called Christmas in Paris. Very unique name, and then I'm in the beginning stages of working on a new CCM album for spring 2014. So we're talking to producers, writing a lot right now, and that'll be underway pretty soon here. So it's exciting.
Wow, how was Japan?
It was amazing. The Japanese fans are awesome. They love American music, first of all, and they love American Idol too, which helps. And they were just so sweet. We had people just, you know, giving us the sweetest gifts and just telling how the music had touched their lives. And it's really amazing. Being on Idol, I didn't realize what a global impact the show has, and it's been a blessing to get to meet a lot of those people.
Well, is there anything you want to share with the viewers that are watching you right now? What would you want to tell them?
Yeah, you know, I'm just blessed to be able to do what I do every day. You can find out where we're touring around the U.S. and elsewhere on scottmcintyre.com. And, man, my fans are the reason that I'm here today. They're the reason I went so far in Idol, and I'm just so blessed to be here. I appreciate it.
Well, thank you so much for interviewing with Shofar Magazine, and we're looking forward to everything else that you have coming in the future.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.